Hi guys, it's Ron. Take tips, tech stuff. How's it going? I created a video earlier today about the release of Vegas Pro 18. I want to be totally upfront with you. The links I provide are called affiliate links. And what that means is anytime you click on that link, and if you buy a product, my channel will get a commission of the actual sale. So I want to be totally upfront with you what an affiliate link means. It means the channel, the person running the channel, will get a commission on any sale. So I'm not sure about other channels that are promoting Vegas Pro 18 right now. I could be totally upfront with you. Affiliate means they will get a commission every time a purchase is made. So that's why everyone is aggressively promoting products. It's because they get a cut of the commission. Now, as a YouTuber, I don't make a lot of money as a YouTuber. I spend lots of money making these videos, but I do not make a lot of money as a YouTuber. So what I ask from you, if you can do me a big favor, is click the link. If you want to buy Vegas Pro 18, click the link below in the description area and purchase it from that link. You won't pay any more for the product. It just means my channel will get a commission of the actual sale, and I need it to keep producing videos. So I just want to be totally upfront with you guys on what's happening with affiliate links, and that goes for Amazon, any other company people are promoting products on. They're all commission sales. So once again, I just want to be totally upfront with you guys and be honest. So once again, I really appreciate all my subscribers. You're like my best friends, and I really appreciate all your support. So thanks, and have a good day, and God bless.